Find out affiliate marketing the proper way. Leave no room for mistake. Affiliate marketing is perfect to start a web company working from home. Affiliate marketing is perfect to start a web company working from house. Affiliate marketing is amongst the fastest growing market channel on the web. Affiliate marketing is considered amongst the very best methods to earn money online. Affiliate marketing is great since anybody with a laptop, interconnection and some creativity can set up an affiliate marketing service. Affiliates can likewise be a search engine, online marketers who run pay-per-click projects in order to drive traffic and sales from marketers. Millions of affiliates send out billions of visitors to tens of thousands of businesses in return for payments. In a nutshell, publishers, also known as affiliates, displayed advertisements, suppliers by advertisers. It is likewise true that many affiliates do not make big money online due to the fact that they do not have a proven system to follow, hence not a successful making an income on the internet. If you own or want to begin your own internet business, affiliate marketing is a must for you marketers technique. Affiliate marketing is fantastic since anyone with a laptop computer, internet connection and some creativity can set up affiliate marketing companies. If you own or desire to begin your own internet business, affiliate marketing is a must for your market strategy. In basic terms, affiliate marketing is web-based marketing practice in which a company rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or each customer brought about by the affiliate marketing efforts. Now, this is a general outlay of affiliate marketing. If you want to find out a lot more, I have a website with over 300 videos, mostly about affiliate marketing and earning money online. I've been doing this for over 6 months and I am sure there'll be something there that will help you with affiliate marketing, because it has videos up showing you how to start, videos up showing you how to get your browser working, videos up trying to start a new business. All those sort of things are there in videos, so I'm sure you'll find one. My channel is YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. One more time, it's YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Now, amongst all the things I like to say is below my video there are links of programs I've used and tools I use, and my favorite out of all of them is the script writer or script rewriter. Now, if you join this program and you're an affiliate marketer and you're starting a blog or a website, or you want to go to YouTube and put up videos, now script rewrite or script writer, whichever it's called, is a $197 lifetime cost. Now, when I joined, I don't know whether it was on special or not. I take it it's still $197 or $195, and that's a lifetime subscription. And over this lifetime, every month I get 50 scripts. With any keywords I put into them, they send me scripts back with those keywords representative, and they're good scripts. I make most of my videos with them because I don't have it up here to remember everything I put up. So I recommend Script Rewrite. I'll put the link above or maybe down the bottom probably above because I got black t-shirt on today. Now, other channels down there, they're programs I joined and liked, so I put links up, and tools I've bought and use on the internet still, I put links up for those. They're all affiliated links, so if you decide you want to join a program, if you like the look of it, once you've looked into it, or purchase tools to help you on the web, then I will get a small commission. This is how the internet works. Now, other than that, if you don't want to go down through my channel, please go to the like button below. It's a thumbs up job. Click on that, subscribe, and then that helps me with YouTube. Up the top there's a bell. Click on the bell and press all next to it. You'll get informed when I put my next video up. That'll save you going down through all mine, although I'm sure there's something there to help you, because that's what I do it for. But anyway, whatever you do, do your research. Use Google, put in what you want to join, name of company, name of affiliate program, anything like that. They'll give you page after page after page of information on that company. Find out what sort of commissions you get, how often they pay, what sort of advertising they got for you to use, if they do banners, and all sorts of things like that. And also, I use YouTube. That's why I got so many videos up, because I like YouTube. They give you pictures. They show in front of you how to get signed up with things. If you're joining anything, you get the pictures come up showing you how to do it. So I like YouTube better than Google. I don't like having to read. I do enough of that doing all these videos. So anyway, do your research. Don't get scammed. Please do it properly. Don't just jump into any program, because there's scammers out there. You'll work for a week or a month expecting to get paid and you get nothing. You don't want that. Please research. So all the very best in your online ventures. Please search affiliates. If you put affiliate programs in Google, you'll get millions. Research them. Don't just jump into the first one. So once more, please click the like button and subscribe. If you want more videos sent to you when I put them up online, then click the bell and all next to it. YouTube will automatically inform you when I put another video up. Then it's your choice whether you want to watch it or not. So once more, my name's Ian Jackson. Hope you do come back for more and explore my channel. And also, all the very best. I hope you succeed online. It does work, but you have to be dedicated and put work into it. It doesn't just happen overnight. So once more, all the best. Hope you do come back. Cheerio.